Hey everybody, Andrew Ansley, the co-founder of Content Sprout and the director of marketing for Helium SEO. Today I'm just going to go over the transparent SEO project called Flask and Barrel. I haven't posted this on YouTube yet. I'm just going to post this on Facebook in the private group. That way, if you want to keep up to date, it's mainly in there, but I wanted to at least share what I'm doing, how things are going. And I'm just doing an over-the-shoulder update, and I say everything I do step by step. That way, and you can see the website I'm doing. So I'll show you here. As you can see, here's the Search Console. Let's give it a little look. So here's the website. Got this up. Now, let me explain the site so that everybody who doesn't understand, can get some context for what's happening here. Now, we have the whiskey site. We have reviews, buyer guides, some cocktail recipes. We have the alcohol masterclass. This is just learn or like a guide. It's general info. We have industry news. That's where I plan on doing some more newsy type posts that are meant to just get some discover traffic. And we have brands. So let me go over the homepage real quick, and I'm going to spend about 20 seconds on each page. This page, we have whiskey giveaways. They haven't officially kicked off, but theoretically, this should be switching out every single month. I can switch it out on my own. It should be rotating on its own, though. So this should go to an article as well. Yeah, it does. Or to the liquor product. Now, I just published this article. This is actually why I'm doing this post, is to update on one of the changes that I've done. So this is actually a collection of Japanese whiskeys. It's a real photo that was taken by someone who works on this project with me. So it's called Japanese Whiskey, Definition, Distillation, Flavor, and Famous Brands. We're going to jump back into that, and I'll show you what I did on there. This is AI photos, these two right here. And the reason I did AI photos is I'm just trying to test it out, right? I used Canva and AI. Now, the cool thing is there's 7,000 whiskeys, 1,000 distillers, there's cocktail and whiskey tool, and expert reviews and guides. You can see all sorts of different things. So here are the recipes. You have Gold Rush cocktail, for instance. Let's click that because that's going to show us the cocktail. I do need to change this URL. There's still plenty of things to change here. So the general format for the cocktails is we have a table of contents here. We have the type that it is. We have the liquor type. We have the glass type. And we have ingredients. So here are the ingredients. Here are the instructions. And then we have all of the other stuff. So my theory is, why waste time on a post or on a article, reading an article that doesn't give you the information that you want right away? So now we're doing that. So that's what this is. That is cocktails. We have a cocktail finder that's also embedded in here. So if you can see here, we have alcoholic. Click next. I want bourbon, I guess. Theoretically, this works. I'm just going to do any type of alcohol. Bourbon. See, it pops up. Great. Here is that. We have bourbon, and type sour. And it pops up. So that is the idea for a cocktail finder. That's what we want. Now let me go into the next thing. Brands, we have another tool. This one is the whiskey finder. So what type of liquor are you looking for? Let's just do bourbon. Let's do wood, I guess. And let's do USA. Ideally, this would work. I don't know if it will. Great. So this works. The idea here is we are filling this out more and more, right? So as we continue, we'll have the price, we'll have the distiller information. If there is a specific review that is done, then for this post, I believe Learn More would take you to that. And then you can also get our overall value, flavor, and everything you need. So that's all here. That is the whiskey finder. Let me go back to brands just to show you what that is. Now we have popular brands. This you can search by image, latest reviews, and you can browse the brands. So if I were to do, I don't know, let's do E. Okay, so E has 4. Some of these have a crap ton, like 40 or something. We haven't gotten all the way to like W, for instance, so you'll just see these. We're slowly adding these. So that is one thing to look out for. But if you look at what the actual post looks like, we have, let's do this. Sure. I have no idea if this actually has info. Great. So here is the actual information on what this looks like. So we have name, address, phone, email, and website. We have a little map link right here. We go over the history, products, the awards, distillery information, our review, what to do nearby, and we give you things like how far away is this thing, frequently asked questions, what restaurants and hotels are near, and link to those. So, oops, 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 oops. How do I do this? Great. So that is the flask in barrel. The actual buyer guides are pretty cool. Let me show you the newest post, and then we can dig into that. So here we go. I keep doing that wrong. Here we go. We'll do Japanese whiskey. So this is what the post looks like. This was done with Content Sprout, which is the tool that I have co-founded. I'll show you that in a second. We have the table of contents. We have guides on Japanese whiskey, what defines it, how is it crafted, what's the distillation process, how does aging affect it, what are the types of them, who are the top makers, how to taste it, what are the techniques, how to pair, where to buy, how to enjoy, and then we have FAQs, what makes Japanese whiskey unique, how should it be served, and where can you find the rare stuff. So all this, the bold and stuff, I go over the top with bold as a part of my tool because I'd rather go overboard than under. It's hard to balance it out, but I like it. So this was all done with AI. I've done no edits of my own, and it's pretty nice, honestly, guys. It's really, really good. So let's click in so you can get a little peek. All right, so flask and barrel. And we're just going to go into projects. So once you're into your projects, this is not live yet. This version is still the staging version, and I'll push it live so that people can use this new version. But the idea is, as you can see, what is Japanese whiskey? I was testing out a few different things, but you can just create outline like this, enter your topic, your core topic, what the article's for, your website purpose, search intent, your tone, point of view, writing style, intent, reading level, and customer journey. So default, here are the things. You can specify these things. I like just doing default because I've already built the tool how I want. And customer journey stage, 2, reading level is a drop down. You can choose your reading levels, point of view, typically second person, third person, I guess for a review, first person. I'm not going to go through this, but all you have to do is topic 1, topic 2, and that's how you create multiple outlines in one go. So, or articles. Now, you can also create article without doing the whole outline process, but I recommend the outline process first. I'm not going to go over that because this is not meant to show the tool. I'll make a separate video for that, but you can do things like get AI detection score, plagiarism score. You can click all of these and do like get all of the plagiarism and AI detection. You can write the article, rewrite the article, and it will improve the article even further. The actual article, once you're in here, looks like this, I believe. Yeah, so you have your word count, internal links, all that stuff. This might be one that I didn't keep. But table of contents, if I wanted to generate that, I could just, by doing that. Your metrics, you can do the checks here. Your own GPT, which you can ask questions about it. You can use the whole article as context, or you can just send this. And for SEO, you can summarize key points. You can automatically internally link. You can analyze the article, and it will tell you how to improve each section. You can include FAQ schema if you've already generated. Yeah, it's still doing this. If you've already generated FAQ questions. So that's what I'm doing. And we have a mixture of human writing and AI writing. and it's going well. So this page actually already indexed within under 24 hours, and on Ahrefs, it's actually, I saw it ranking for something on position 80 or something, which is mind-blowing. No idea how that is that fast. For those that don't know, this site is Google News certified, or whatever it is. And let me show you what that looks like here. So you can see that in this little report, I have Google News because I am on Google News. So the overall thing is what we're seeing so far. I've done 0 backlinks, built nothing intentionally. And we have about 11,200 impressions, 40 clicks, and not bad. So all we're trying to do is get that impression thing up when you're just starting out. Impressions are great. This is trending upward right now too, so that's awesome. And I was hoping, basically I need some backlinks to really get this going, but I really wanted to see if I could do this without backlinks. So anyway, if you want to take a look, go over here. That is the update. I created this. The next, the thing I also did, let's do schema markup validator. And I'll do this. I added schema. I posted this inside of the group already, but I'll share it here as well. Great. So as you can see, let's do website. And here is the website schema. We also have organization schema. So for organization, pretty simple. We have a description, our URL, our logo. We have same as. I created these Facebook or these social media pages. Those are the only links on the internet that exist for this. And I did these little same as things here, right? So I'm declaring it's same as this. Then I did knows about. I could have optimized this further, but I just said type, it's whiskey, and here is the same as. Type thing, bourbon whiskey. Went down, stated all the things I know. Then I have an offer catalog, my educational materials, my cocktail creation tool, whiskey finder, the database, all that good stuff. So that was the other thing that was created. The sitemap, let me go into that real quick, is we've got a bunch of different sitemaps. We have a guides, brand, news, posts, pages, reviews, cocktails. And I believe I removed one of them. Yeah, the specific liquor, since I have like 7,000 liquors, I had to remove those because it was just ruining indexation. That's why you'll probably see some of these not indexed. But indexation just keeps going up. So we have 1,116 or 60, whatever. And you can see that some are blocked by robots.txt, some have been deleted, no index over here, discovered and currently not indexed. It's probably discovering those pages that I don't want it to discover. Oh, no. So cocktails are still empty as well. So I did not block cocktails, but ideally the things that need to be done is, one, cocktail recipes needs to have more information on each cocktail. Next, we need to have all those whiskeys. We need to have all the brands. All of that information needs to be in here. And for those that don't know, if you have a lot of pages that have no traffic, and if you have a lot of pages that are basically empty, thin, you're going to get a helpful content penalty. Not a real penalty, but it's just going to hurt. It's a ranking factor, and it's not helpful to have all those pages. So that's why I have no index to some of them. You can see the indexation, or the no index, how I've done this right here in the robots file. So I've added my sitemaps that I want in there, and then I believe I took out the indexation. Let's see. Yeah, disallow. All liquor products are disallowed. Now, ideally, it would disallow and they wouldn't get any, but some are still showing up. Whatever. It's there. It's there. So that is that. We have just about everything updated. I'm going to continue to share. We're at a good baseline. We're going to keep on adding articles. And honestly, it's going pretty well so far. If you have any questions on how to do this for yourself, just let me know. If you want to do Content Sprout, then just go to contentsprout.ai, and the new version will be live very soon. We use GPT-4 1106 preview for all of the functions, just to maximize the ability to give a good output. So keep that in mind. And yeah, I'm excited, guys. I want to keep doing these videos. I'm going to start doing these on YouTube now as well, but it'll probably be much later than the Facebook group update. The Facebook group update, I'll just end with this, is inside of, let's do this, and get that, and boom, great. So inside of the group, Content Sprout AI, that is where these updates happen. So here's an update over here. And yeah, we went down a bit once all those other things got indexed. But yeah, you'll get everything here. Add me on Facebook, find me. Content Sprout, my little man, generated by AI. Thank you, Mr. AI. And till next time, everybody, I appreciate you watching this video. Hopefully it helps. Hopefully this inspires you to create your own projects. And use Content Sprout to do it. It's great. Absolutely love it. All right. Cheers.